This is a 2005 to early 2007 Isuzu NPR 4HK1-TC engine head. This engine head, along with all of our other engine heads and parts, come with a 90-day warranty. All engine heads are washed, properly lubricated, and inspected before we ship them out. There's the Busby Truck Parts warranty tag. Now we're going to flip this up. We're going to check out the back side. This is the underside. Get a good look at the valves. Everything's all cleaned up and good. All heads come complete with the camshaft and the rocket arm. For more information on this part, please call 803-564-3228 or visit our website, busbytruckparts.com.